2024, it's going to be more expensive to purchase a home because of what everybody forgot about what happened in 2023. So on May 1st, 2023, good old Joey Biden, changed what we call the rate adjusters for people that have certain down payments. So if you have a 5% down buyer at a 740 credit and a 20% down home buyer at 740 credit, believe it or not, the person with the same credit score, bigger down payment, is gonna get penalized more, causing them to get a higher interest rate, or that same rate costing them more money in points. So if it was me, this is what I would do, costing you less to buy a home in 2024. If you've got the big down payment, only put 5% down. That 5% down allows you to get the lower rate, the lower cost to your pocket. After about 60 to 90 days, you're gonna take that remainder of the money that you had to put that 20% down, bring it into the loan. It's called recasting. It brings your principal loan amount down, adjusting your mortgage payment down to what it would have been had you put that big down payment down. And now you have the low mortgage payment, the lower loan amount with the lower interest rate. A lot of people don't realize this is what happens when you put the 5% down. So that's the strategy I would use, because man, people forgot that they're getting penalized and they're thinking, let me just put this big giant down payment.
Back when this whole thing came out, I was saying people are making it a bigger deal than it really is. Multiple people have sent me this video. Finally, I was in front of my computer when someone sent it to me. I went ahead and I ran the numbers. Like he said, 5% down, 740 score, 20% down, 740 score. He says it's way more expensive if you do 20% down. So what you need to do is you need to put 5% down and then you do a recast. So you put 5% down, you're gonna have PMI for however long, a month, 2 months, however long it takes you to remember and to call and to do all this stuff amongst your move and all that, and pay the extra money and then do something you're not familiar with, which is called a recast, which usually they charge a fee to do, whatever that fee might be. And yeah, it would work in theory if the rate and price was so much better. What is the difference? The difference in points. Now remember, that's not your rate. Points is what you'll pay over your rate. So in this case, I did a 6.99 rate, and the difference in points, get this, is 0.06%. To find out what 0.06% is, you get a calculator, you type in 0.0006 times 500,000, let's say, if that's your mortgage amount, you're gonna save $300. You heard his video. Watch my video again and see what he said. He says you're gonna save all this money. You're gonna be better off recasting. So you save $300, but you're gonna pay PMI for however long until you remember to do the recast, and you're gonna pay a fee for the recast, all to save $300? Not $300 a month, just $300 one time. Come on, y'all. It was all blown out of proportion when the rules came out, and it's still being blown out of proportion. But hey, this guy got almost 100,000 likes. Great job misleading people. Mortgage Nerd out.